Hello mga ate, it's me again, your Ate Foca. But for today's video, we are going to unbox a new perfume. And hindi lang siya perfume mga day, kundi it's a man perfume. Uy, baka piling yung lalaki na ako, but no, hindi po ako lalaki. At hindi po ako magiging lalaki. Charis, well, yes, we finally got this. So ayan, nakuha na natin itong perfume na to. This is from Emporio Armani, Eau de Parfum. And let's unbox this and let's see if mabango ba talaga siya, if is it worth the hype. I know this is a solid perfume kasi I have a perfume which is also from EA and grabe talaga siya mag-perform. What I'm talking about is this perfume. This is the perfume that I'm talking about for girls. Like, girl, if you're going for a date, this is the one. Like, super tamis niya. Talagang maaamoy ka ng lahat ng lalaki sa kapaligiran. But today, we will be talking about this. And let's see kung worth it ba ang pera na pinabili natin. Okay, this perfume retails at 595 dirham. Dito sa Dubai, I don't know sa pesos, bahala na kayong mag-compute. And by the way, here are the notes of this perfume. Vanilla, sweet amber, cinnamon, warm spicy, aromatic, powdery, caramel, soft spicy, at saka musky. So, we are expecting a very strong perfume. But let's unbox it. So, I'm so excited talaga. By the way, this is not sponsored. Hindi po ako bayad at parang hindi talaga ako babayaran. Char lang. So, ooh, so this is how the bottle looks like. Apakaganda. Apakaganda ng kanyang bottle. Yes. The code is over here so you can test if it's authentic or not. Oops. First, pag bibili ka ng bottle, it's very important for the lid kung nagsasara ba talaga siya ng mabuti or hindi. Try yan again. Yes. Okay. So, it means hindi siya mag-i-spill. Now, let's do the test. Second, pag bibili ka ng babango, dapat yung sprayer. Okay ba? Una, hindi. Pangalawa pa lang, bumugsa na. Pangalawa pa lang, bumuga na. Oh my God! Ang bango! Hindi ko pa na-i-spray sa katawan ko, pero ang bango niya, te. Oh my God! Grabe! Gosh! Ang bango! Parang siyang pagkain na matamis na parang nakakain ng pag-winter, yung ganong feeling. Oh my God! Oh my God, die! Oh. Grabe. So today, I'll be using this perfume. I'm going to work and ititest ko siya kung gaano ba siya mag-perform, kung tatagal ba talaga siya. Just like the other reviewers saying tumatagal daw siya ng 8 to 10 hours. Depends on your body, of course. Kasi kanya-kanya naman yan. Diba? Maaring we are meant for each other. Maybe you're not. Charis. So yun nga, itetest natin siya and I'll give you a second review. See ya!